Hi there, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jadeline. Today I'm gonna be unboxing a Wonderpens order. I always love to receive their postcard, and they always have like different images that they put, and I keep all of them. Okay, so today I'm gonna start by unboxing the two TWSBI pens that I got, the Caffè Bronze. This one is is it this one? No, it's this one. This one is the Twsbi Diamond Mini White Rose Gold V2, and it's an extra fine. Okay, so we're gonna start with the Caffè Bronze. I was so excited to get this one. As you can see, I already have the Twsbi creme, and I'm so excited to add this one to the collection. I love the color. So this one is rose gold, and I have it filled up with Sleeping Willow, I think it's called, if I'm not mistaken, by Diamond Inkvent 2023. And for this one, I'm gonna see what ink I'm gonna put in. This one is in, I think it's extra fine. Yeah, I did get this in extra fine. I love the color. It's more bronzy looking, obviously, than the rose gold. Hopefully you can see the nib. They're both in extra fine. This one's Weeping Willow. Before I said Sleeping Willow, it's Weeping Willow. It's filled in with that. Okay, so for my next one, it's the Twsbi Mini in rose gold. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I wanted to get another mini like fountain pen because I have the Sailor Allure Gray, this one, and I have it attached to the black passport, but I eventually want to switch it up just to switch things up. So I was thinking it would be perfect to get another, maybe Twsbi or another brand. I do love my Sailors, but I do want to try the mini Twsbi. I love how it's displayed. It's so beautiful. It's so gorgeous. Love its details. Is it the same size? Wait, I'm gonna check. To compare its size. I think that's accurate. It is a bit longer than the Sailor Mini Allure Gray, but it's still mini and it's so cute. I got this one in extra fine, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. This one is in medium fine. I love that it's white and has like the rose gold details. Okay, I was just checking how this worked. Apparently it's just by twisting the top part. Okay. I'm really new to TWSBI's, even with sailors and ball fountain pens. I'm new to this, so most of the time I have to like see tutorials or check to see if I'm not doing it wrongly before I even try, because I don't want to break it or anything. So yeah, this is the new TWSBI Bronze, Caffè Bronze, and I love the color. Just love the neutrals. The other colors, they're not something that I'm drawn to, but with these ones, I just loved it so much. Okay, so next I did get the dip pen, not sure what it's called, if that's the name, by Jack Herbin. I think I'm saying it correctly. It's in blue, Calanque blue, bleu Calanque. I think I'm saying it correctly. If not, I apologize. And it's just to have like a better swatches of inks and everything. Okay, I have to be careful because it is glass. It feels so nice. There was red, I think, and a green, but the blue one is the one that I like the most. It's so pointy. I have to be careful. I'm so afraid to like drop it or for it to break. So yeah, I'm gonna be really extremely careful with this one. I'm just gonna put it aside. So for today, I did get 3 inks. I know from my last video I did get a couple of inks, and 2 of them came out to be 2 different colors than I was expecting. I thought it was gonna be black, and it was actually like a dark blue. I did try them out, well, mostly one of them. I did try the dominant, no, I didn't try the dominant industry. I tried this one. And it actually, when you write, it actually does look more of a black. You don't really see the blue tint. It is there, but you can easily confuse it with a black ink. So I'm trying to actually use it. I'm not gonna just let it there and get to waste. I'm gonna try and use them. But I did ended up like liking them, so I'm actually happy that it's not a complete waste. I know I could just return, but I don't like returning things, so I'm just gonna enjoy it, you know. And mostly that ink, and I have it right now, filled it in with my Ferris wheel press fountain pen. I'm not sure the color, the name of the color. I did get this by a second hand. They never used it. And this one is in a fine nib. It does write extremely thick for my liking, but I don't mind. It's an everyday use, and I use it for my Bible study or Bible notes, and just to show it off. I know this video is all over the place, but I just want to show it. And I have to be careful because it does tend to like show on the other side. Let me just, if you can see here, you could see it goes. So yeah, so it does ghost, but it's not that bad. So, and you see it's actually, you could easily confuse it with a black ink. So yeah. So for today, I'm gonna be swatching these 3 inks. So yeah, I got this one, this pink one, because of I think her name is Karina Loves to Plan, and she tested out this Kosumo Pilot Iroshizuku color mixed with Pilot Iroshizuku Inaho, I think it's called. she did test both of them out, like to mix it up together, and it came out with like a dusty pink, dusty looking pink, brownish dusting pink. And I did like how it turned out. That, you know how I think it is discontinued, so I can't really get that ink unless I get it off someone else. But I do have this one, the Yamaguri, and it is a brownish. I'm gonna try and mix these two up together to see what color it comes out with. Wow, this is really, it looks really light. Usually I don't go for light pinks like fuchsia or those colors. I am in the phase of experimenting, but I don't, when it comes to big bottles, I try my best, I'm not the best, to get inks that I know I'm gonna love and enjoy to use. But as I said, I want to try and mix it up with the other color, because to see if it comes with out with a dusty pink. My next one, this one I was so excited, it was back in stock at the Wonderpens online shop. And it's the famous Twsbi black ink, and I do currently own, if I'm not mistaken, three to four maybe inks, black inks. Some are from the Diamine ink vent, and I have a full bottle of Jack Herbin and then a Ferris wheel press, but they're mixed with shimmer. So I only have Jack Herbin and this one now, the Pilot Iroshizuku Twsbi in black. So I'm excited for this one. And the last one is the Raw Sienna, Diamine Raw Sienna. Maybe this isn't a new ink in the market, but it is new to me. And because I did get the Caffe, if I'm not mistaken the name, the Bronze Caffè Bronze, I did want to get like a brownish ink, but I do have another sample that I want to try to see if I like it in this one, and it's the Jack Herbin Lie de Thé, if I'm saying it correctly. So we'll see which one out of this I end up liking to put it inside the Caffè Bronze. And in my last video, I did swatch the inks out of this notepad that I said that I DIY'd by the Sterling Ink last year's planner, and I didn't want to waste all of these pages, and I like the quality, so I just recycled and glued it myself. But I also got this Midori blank A5 paper notebook, and I saw on YouTube Jasmine, she did a log of all the inks and fountain pens that she has in this notebook, and I liked how it turned out, and I wanted to try it out myself. But for today, I don't want to make a mistake on this one, as it is a long-term notebook. I want to try and swatch it out with this one first. So for today's video, I will just be inking up this pen with you, the Caffè Bronze, and not really the Twsbi Mini. Okay, so I'm gonna be swatching out the Diamine Raw Sienna. Hang on, sorry. So as I said, I want to try and be careful not to break it. So I saw that this could be used for swatching the ink, and that's what I'm gonna do. Before that, I'm gonna put the title. Oh yeah, it's a nice brown. I love how this glides really smoothly on paper. I know maybe it's not meant for that, but it does a better job than the watercolor brush that I was using last time. Okay, I'm gonna do a writing sample. I love how it's turning out. And in this paper, it is a Tomo River paper. As you can see, it's not really, oh my goodness. That's the thing with inks. You have to be extremely careful. It's okay. You see it doesn't, like it goes, but not really. It doesn't go through. So we had an accident. It's okay. Let me just dip this in. I'm gonna put I love how it writes this, the pen. We're gonna put some. I love how it's looking. So you could see some shading properties happening, and it does have some shading in the writing as well. What else? Okay, so next is the Jack Urban Elie Duté. Looks similar to the one I just watched, maybe a little bit lighter. This ink is a bit more wetter than the Diamine Raw Sienna, as you can tell here. They're both a similar similar color. Maybe this one has more of a red sheen, like a red, I mean not sheen, red like shading happening right here. Not really sure which one I want to try out. Let me do some lines. Okay. They're both really similar. Not really sure which one I'm gonna go for. Maybe this Diamond Raw Sienna. The next one is Twsbi. I'm gonna do the line right away just to see. So yeah, this is the pilot. Iroshizuku.
Great, so as well.
And lastly, the how it came out. Okay, I'm gonna do this later. The Kosumusu by Pilot. It's actually a nice pink. And it is of a brighter pink than I'm normally into, but it's so beautiful. It is shading a bit. There's like a red, maybe? Pink and red. I do like it though. We'll see what it comes out with mixed in with Yamaguri by Pilot. I did enjoy using this dip pen. So yeah, these are all the inks that I purchased. I am leaning more towards this one, the Diamine Raw Sienna. This one has like reddish undertones. They do look similar, but I'm leaning more towards this one. Did you guys end up purchasing the Caffè Bronze by TWSBI? I didn't get it on the pre-order or the day that it came out. I love ordering from Wonderpens. I haven't had any issues or anything. They're so their customer service, and they're so like friendly and nice. I don't have anything bad to say about them or about anyone. So yeah, it's filled in with Diamine Raw Sienna. I love how it writes. It writes really smooth. And it's inked with you can see the difference between with a dip gloss pen and the TWSBI in extra fine. Love how it turned out. Love the choice, actually. Love it. We'll do right with this one as well to see. They're both in extra fine. Love the choice that I went with. And that'll be all. Thank you so much for joining in, and hope to see you next time. Thank you so much.